And here I have my brand new sander. So I can really sand this and make it all smooth. Well, and now we're going to start with the neck. First of all, we're going to make this flush. See how this works. Well, now I will be making the headstock. And here it is. And now I need to punch the holes with this.
A lot of boring math later.
Now I'm gonna saw the neck break angle. So
One eternity later.
Now it's time to continue with the headstock brake angle. I got a nice flat surface for the headstock. I got a line drawn around the headstock, and now so this is gonna be the headstock and the neck, and now the route for the truss rod. Okay. So this is all okay now. And it goes from here to here. And from here. So it has to be the length of the truss rod and a bit. So route from here to here.
The next day.
And after a lot of sanding and drilling and, well, milling and whatever, I got myself a headstock. So I have to thin it out from here to here, and I made myself well, a nice truss rod. I got myself the neck and the truss rod, the headstock. Nice, smooth. So this is the guitar so far.
The next day.
So there it is. And all the way up to the headstock. I made myself a fretboard, this way around, and gonna make it to size and make it ready to saw the fret slots. here we have it. I checked on both sides outside of the fretboard that it's on the line, and it's on the line, so now I can install. So, and check if it's in the right spot. Yes, it's on the line. And this side. Yeah. Well, and here's the freshly sawn fretboard, all at a nice depth. Well, and the next thing I have to do is put some dots in it. All the dots are drawn, ready for drilling. Get the burrs out of the flat dots with some sandpaper. And with the burrs off, I can wham them in the fretboard. Well, so far so good to the fretboard. I'm very happy with how the neck turned out to be so far, and I got myself a fretboard. So with this neck and fretboard almost ready, and next week I'll be filing the neck to size. Well, I hope you liked this video with my new spindle sander and my work on the neck. I'm quite happy with how the fretboard turned out to be. It's a flat and non-radius fretboard. For I saw that Dobros mostly had flat fretboards, and next week loads of sanding and shaping the back of the neck, and then the tedious job of painting it all, and hope get it all ready before the 4th of April. So next week some more. Hey, see you all again.